Let me show you guys how I make ripe plantain and the starch fufu, aka egbobobo. Let's make it together. Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. Okay guys, right now I want to make starch, okay? Starch and plantain, which is egbobobo in Ichekiri language, egbobobo, okay? We are using starch plantain, ripe plantain for this egbobobo, okay? I have my two ripe plantain. What I will do, I will peel the plantain, cut it into little pieces, then I'll cook the plantain till they are ready, okay? Then we'll proceed to the next one, okay? Let me peel the plantain. Egbobobo is a chakuri type of starch, okay? They had starched, they had, plantain to their starch, okay? You have to use a very ripe plantain, okay? For this egbobobo, okay? I'll just peel it. I've already washed the skin of the plantain, okay? And my hands are clean. Then I'll cut it into smaller pieces so that it can cook quickly. My water is already boiling on the stove, on the fire, okay? Then I'll go and put it inside my hot water, let it cook till they are ready. Okay guys, my water is boiling. All I just have to do is just pour the plantain, ripe plantain inside, allow it to cook till they are ready, okay? All right guys, let's check on the plantain. See, our plantain is ready. Then the next step is for me to blend it together, okay?
Yeah. Follow us on all social media platforms. Share with Love TV.
All right guys, now I have my starch, tapioca starch. I pour it. Then I'll add water. Make sure the water is not too much, okay? All right guys, this is the consistency you want. You don't want it to be too liquidy, okay? Now let's proceed to the next step. Now what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to put it inside the pot that I want to use to make it, okay? Okay, I've already poured it inside the pot. Now I'm just going to pour it my blended ripe plantain. Then I'll mix it together. Mix it very well. If it's too thick, if you need to add more water, you can add more water to it. Now the next step is for you to add your palm oil. Okay, adding palm oil. Then you take it to the fire, then you start stirring it up, okay? Let's take it to the fire. All right guys, all you just have to do is just keep stirring, okay? Make sure you stir it properly and on a low heat, okay? On a low heat. Keep stirring because you don't want lumps on it, okay?
Yeah. Follow us on all social media platforms. Share with Love TV. For your cooking, vlogging, viral gists and news. My girl told me that she wants to check on Share with Love TV. My friends too told me that they want to check on Share with Love TV. I begin to wonder. I begin to wonder.
Okay, what I will do now, I'll add a little bit of water. Okay. Then I'll cover it up. Allow it to boil for a little bit, okay?
Share with Love TV, oh, a magic finger. Madam Share with Love TV, a supernatural cooker. Why don't you follow? Share with Love TV. Why don't you follow Share with Love TV? Share with Love TV. On all social media platforms, yeah. Share with Love TV. Why don't you follow? Share with Love TV. Let's get you follow.
All right, guys, the starch is ready. As you can see, I just have to wrap it up, okay?
Share with Love TV. I love to follow you everywhere because you know how to make it look so lovely. Oh, Madam
Starch and ripe plantain fufu. Thank you all for watching. All right, guys, I'm gonna be eating my egg with egusi pepper soup, okay? You guys come and join me. Let me go and enjoy my food, okay? Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and make sure to share. Bye, guys.